Hey, ebusia sisi adie minim se generation ya abai die poison and ebi mo dey fa nnuanim e di kum krofo.
A boy named Emmanuel. And they said that she was the one who had made pepper soup for him with the intent to poison him. Unfortunately, Emmanuel ended up sharing the pepper soup with his guests, his younger brother, his female friend, and two of his friends who had come to visit him.
Aha, let's talk GH rumors. And any first time I pop into my video, make sure say over subscribe and I'm not click on notification bell to say there any upload be about sabit me aka na wa share and mama na wa like him so. Na 16-year-old girl be ako poison the boyfriend allegedly. And the boyfriend na aduane na ode ma no. Oni ne namfofo eni die nti sesi ano boy me together with four friends omawu. And just a 16 years girl yi die or your ex girlfriend of boy bi and din Eddie Emmanuel. Just say see the media no so there you butu because o sha ba ye ni fikete ne hu kete bia ne just an name innocent. This girl doesn't even look like obia obetimi aka say emma mitim say me poison obi and emma mitim say me do obi ewu but ensem a reporter yensa aka etre say abaye yetumi ama pepper soup Nigeria for pepper soup ana odi ewudro gu mo se de na odi gu mo boyfriend yi so ne ne namfofo 5 akodi a kire se esi a me no kasa die o maye nyamedia na asem ni nyina kom na no details no ana mabobo ano a me de eba besomo by Ghana TV se men kan se hu behia se ye Ghana foi ye be patronize made in Ghana goods se de be bo ma my Ghana timi akoni ni na fa ne ntima pai fra ne santi wo ye made in Ghana goods obviously my short video now they are sending numbers no whole screen so ye be po wo de rama free of charge by Ghana TV streaming 247 with YouTube Roku box afi se wo Google Play Store with me a download na woni ye interactive abaye ya wadi 16 years e din a odete eye TikTok eye peculiar ana ni din ankasa police for airbo sisi a eye Aisha Suleiman a kire se wadi 16 years na ne boyfriend no wo obi a no obi ejai enim zade ne kan na osakogye aduane from eye boy ni kodi ye eno de enim but enim nyina ne se sisi ade boy ne na hofofo e kan ho de omakonom pepper soup allegedly eye sa peculiar yi na eye baaye a omo nyina konom ye sisi ade omo nyina atonananom ewonse do na the way started ne say yesi fie na omutim no na ade achi obi ehu omo na eja eye friend because say okwako je ne mpaboa enti na ene okodu ho no kohu say ene omo nyina na Samuel ze obi a ewu ana papa no ekoye okopie so a eja first when you owura corridor ho na first person ohu no ne banadamfo anidin edi no redeem no eda corridor ho waye nyamedia ene ene oto aso edi kowura another room okoye na tese eye papa na nkasa ne ba anidin edi Emmanuel ene ne girlfriend there say currently ne girlfriend na one ne te is Emmanuel ne girlfriend ni di the Ada Samuel no so 16 years Emmanuel no so 19 years say nkra o ene papa ne kom mienu ewu da mpa so ene osanso to am eko sitting room ho a enwiafo mienu ba kodi di Samuel Ayegwalo ene Jeffrey Ayegwalo ene omo mienu nso so ana eja omo nso ewu omo de egu sitting room ho na nkofo wonda se ede ne asienti nkrai mienu nkrai nyina eda ho keja se na omo bo mo abomu edidru eye hospital doctors are confirming say 5 ni nyina atwa nananom ewonse do atese eya abrehosem no mo de na beginning no mo so de ahye say generator sa tututu bi na efiri mu ba no e bi ben window na ekomu too much itimi kum ti omo de share but omo hwe de way sitie ne so dan no ne distances na de dem ne ba bi obi awuto ye na intimi mba say sa de no ene beku omo enti no ene na e say omo de kodai police for asisi a police for investigation den na community ho ana omo say ene Aisha eye peculiar ene de pepper soup ebre ne ex boyfriend na ex de wo ye de kodi wo ex aduane ene ono na de pepper soup ba ya omo kodi ya enam so ama eye enipa 5 atoa nananom ɛwɔ nseedo. The reporter bi ama details kakra of what really happened in TNT Emma.
A 17-year-old girl named Peculiar, who they said poisoned her ex-boyfriend along with 4 of his friends. Now, this incident was said to have happened around the 26th of October 2024 in a Fascio community in Edo State. It was also around this time that their body was discovered, when it was said neighbors noticed that nobody had come out of the house, citing the fact that there were about 5 people in that house. But when it was morning, they hadn't seen anyone come out of the house until one of the friends of the boy went to the house to request for a shoe. Only then was the discovery of their lifeless body made. In a video circulating, you could see 2 bodies in the sitting room lying next to each other. Then there was another body found along the hallway leading up to the room, or maybe the kitchen. Eventually, in the bedroom, we get to see the intended victim, who goes by the name of Emmanuel, laying dead in bed along with his female friend, making it a total of 5 bodies. At the initial time, it was said that neighbors thought it was generator smoke, because it's not uncommon for people to lose their life due to generator fumes. We've seen this multiple times on the news in headlines, where multiple people in a home suddenly do not wake up because they have been gassed to death due to the fact that their generator was so close to their window, so close to their ventilation, that it tends to penetrate in and then affect the breathing of everyone else. But this is where a lot of people are confused, because it was not just a self-contained. There was a sitting room, there was a kitchen, and there was a bedroom. It seemed like a 1-bedroom apartment. And it did not make sense that generator fumes from one end would get all the way to the bedroom to kill the 2 couple in bed. And this is where the speculation that it may have been food poisoning rather than just generator fumes. Soon afterwards, it was reported that a young girl by the name of Peculiar was arrested in connection to the murder of the Afasio 5. According to the narrative, Peculiar is the said ex-girlfriend to the owner of the apartment, a boy named Emmanuel. And they said that she was the one who had made pepper soup for him with the intent to poison him. Unfortunately, Emmanuel ended up sharing the pepper soup with his guests, his younger brother, his female friend, and 2 of his friends who had come to visit him and sleep over that day. Now, this is just the theory flying regarding Peculiar and how she may have killed Ima and his friends. A particular source on Twitter said the girl had denied killing the boy, that she doesn't know anything regarding his death and that of his friend's death. However, there is still the narrative that she had admitted to it. Some other sources are claiming that Peculiar admitted to poisoning the boy, but only intended to kill Emmanuel, that she did not know that he had friends over who would share the food with him.
That is the reporter ne eka no ne tintimi tietie mu an say alleged, it is alleged say girl no an didi Aisha ukopim on TikTok app ne so de didi Peculiar and de substance bi egu aduanem ema ne boyfriend and boyfriend nso so oh say boys enye aduane nti enyina ye nkodi a kire se one ne girl any other 3 friends I ka ho akodi asisi ade omu nyinaa wu na ye bisa say wo young girl say yampa say wo na wo yes ade a wo de boyfriend girlfriend issue aye sa ade we ya asisi a wo gina bre ene sen sisi akwa ketwa otimi aye saa de we wo kwa kopiem anhwe ya say no kwese wona we ya abede mu nkwa na nyina enti sisi ade na de ewo ho no na girl no kopiem won TikTok page I to say no ankasa relationship mu sensem as ya confirm say no relationship mu sensem because me post back or yeah or same relationship is just overhyped for something that makes you overthink, feel insecure, cry every night, feel entitled, lose focus, face fake love and promises, lies. But anyway, if you're in one, I wish you luck. Just make sure the love of your life is worth the stress you are going through. And you say, oh, relationship cries, manfoɔ hype ne too much hwehwee nim ade etimi ma wo gyene a na wo yɛ abodam ade a sɛ de etimi ma wo su a wote hɔ a na wo ngye wo ho ndi nti sɛ wo bi mu de a ɛne ɛto gye wa na emu make sure sɛ brɛ bebrebe na wo brɛ no nipa na wo brɛ ma no no o deserve na sɛ ade a gɛ we ɛkɔ post yɛ na nkɔfo ka sɛ ɛna girl yi no wo issue wɔ relationship mu na mebisa 16 years ne 19 years deɛ ɛwɔ Africa nso wɔ nya abegye sɛ ɔmo deɛ ɔmo culture no yɛ different from yɛ deɛ na ha deɛ nka yi hu sɛ ɔmo yɛ nkoraa na ɔmo nyini ɔmo atera baako atera 18 ne deɛ ɔno deɛ wanyini but 16 years girl asisi a wodi sɛ jealousy o sɛ pain no akɔ a wakɔ poison obi yayaya sei deɛ yɛde ani deɛ twɛ any comment bi a wɔ bi ase bi obi a try sɛ ɔbɛyɛ obi bi saa obetumi agya ɛwɔ comment section hɔ ɛde ama me but sisi a reporter yɛn nsa aka free Edo State Police Commander ɔmo release ɛyɛ press press release a ɔmo de aba ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɔmo nsa ɔmo sisi adeɛ ɛyɛ the Edo State Police Command na ɛde press release aba ɔmo kyerɛkyerɛ vividly from what happened to sɛ ɔmo de ɛmu no nyinaa kɔ ɛyɛ hospital ne adeɛ a sisi a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nokorɛ sɛ yɛakye abaayewa bi ɛne community foɔ no kɔ ɛbɛbɔ ne ko no ana agya ɔmo ɛbɔ na bɔ mu de ne ba police station sisi adeɛ ɔmo yɛ investigation because nipa 5 deɛ even baako koraa nyɛ easy nipa sisi ɔmo yɛ investigation na confirm sɛ ɛyɛ ampa sɛ ɛyɛ girl yɛ yɛfrɛ no Aisha yi a sisi a popularly known as Peculiar yi ɔno ɛna kum ɛyɛ nipa nnum yi anaasɛ bibi foforɔ ɛka ho nti ɛne nhwehwɛmu ɛkɔ so paa na yɛde ani edi akyire pa because this matter deɛ ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhu up to the end ɛwɔ sɛ yɛhu the root and the stem and everything the leaves of this matter nti any update bi afiri hɔ a mede bɛba abɛsoso mu ne ɛka wo sɛ wowɔ relationship mu a be very 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 careful jealousy ɛyɛ normal but woyɛ ma ne boro so a ɛkɔyɛ bɛyie ɛyɛ bɛyie nso a wobɛkɔ akɔdi bɔne wodi bɔne nso a wo ho bɛkyerɛ wo so be very careful if you are in a relationship anaasɛ biribiara mu because nipa kum deɛ well ano yɛ den me din ɛde na na akua santoa makram